here at La Casa Elisa Private Resort, located at Pansol, Calamba, Laguna. Let's go and check inside. The place is so beautiful and relaxing. At nauna na ngang nag-swim ang apo ko here in kiddie pool. Almost done na guys ang mga decoration at piniprepare na ng cater ang mga foods. At may adult pool and a beautiful landscape. It's about to start with a beautiful cake. The place so stunning at night. At unti-unti na pong dumarating ang mga bisita. The foods are already prepared at aantayin na lang natin ang ating debutant. Here she comes.
All the guests and the people who give effort to make things possible, as well as the food that we're going to receive.
As we have our first rose from Rain Matthew Duron.
As long as the memory of this melody lives on.
Moving on to our sixth rose, Fitzgerald Pan.
It's for you.
And to start with our yellow bills, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Jenaline Oliveros. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 1.
Ayan, sa aking pinakamamahal na mga pamangkin. Siyempre, study first muna. Before lang. May warning! Hindi, may chan, tsaka matalino. God bless sa'yo, tsaka more candles to blow.
Birthday, Justin. I wish you more successful in life.
Adolf Joshua Oliveros.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tita Gigi!
Yun, Jaina, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy mo yung mga susunod na kabanata ng buhay mo din.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
All right, JJ, you may blow all those candles now. Good morning, start. Go on, go to the start. Good morning, start. Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You may now take all your seats.
Ayan, kakain na po tayo. Ayan. Ayan po ang cater natin tonight. Welcome to my vlog! Hi vlog daw. Ayan yung mga cater. Hi vlog! Kain na kayo! Kain na!
JJ, all the best that the world could offer you is our prayer. Again, thank you so much for your precious time na ibigay kay JJ. And again, ako po ang kanyang ninong. My name is Nelson. Thank you so much. And God bless us all. It's party time!
Thank you for watching guys. Please follow.